Hi, friends. Are you ready to play a guessing game? We have 3 boxes. What will come out of this box? Let's see. Oh, it's a bunny. Hello, little bunny. Now, a puzzle. What animal could this be? It's a little bunny. Let's put it together.
That was awesome! Outstanding! Woohoo!
We put the pieces in their spots and done. What a cute bunny. A new puzzle. Who is this friend? It's a snowman. Let's build him.
I believe in you! Good job! Amazing!
His head, his body, and done. What a fun snowman.
Select your favorite stamp.
Look, another puzzle. Who are all these animals? It's an animal band. They are playing music.
Great! Perfect!
How fun! They are ready for their concert. What a special creature. It's an octopus. Shall we put it together?
Wonderful! Nice!
And done. An octopus with many tentacles. Back to the box game. Who is in here? Oh, it's a lion. Hello, lion. Look at this tall animal. It's a giraffe. Its neck is so long.
Fantastic! That was awesome! Outstanding!
And done. A very happy giraffe. What a big animal. It's an elephant. And it has a very long trunk.
Good job! Amazing! Superb! Great!
The elephant is ready. What a funny animal. It's a chick. Peep, peep.
Perfect! Wonderful! Nice!
There it is, a very cute chick.
I'm hidden in the box. Can you find me?
A new puzzle. It's a little dog. Woof, woof.
Fantastic! That was awesome! Outstanding! Good job!
How cute! The puppy is ready. And now an animal that goes moo. It's a cow.
Amazing! Superb! Great! Perfect! Wonderful! Nice! Fantastic!
We finished. A happy cow.
Select your favorite stamp.
Look at all these delicious fruits. There are bananas, apples, pears. Let's assemble the fruit puzzle.
Outstanding! Good job! Amazing! Superb! Great! Perfect! Wonderful!
So yummy. All the fruits are in their place. What a sweet bunny. It's eating a carrot.
Nice! Fantastic! That was awesome! Outstanding! Good job! Amazing! Superb!
The bunny can now eat its carrot.
Let's have some fun! Release this balloon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3!
A candy house. How delicious. It has cookies and cupcakes. It's so fun to build this puzzle.
Perfect! Wonderful! Nice! Fantastic! That was awesome! Outstanding! Good job! Amazing! Great!
The candy house is ready. Look at this hard-working insect. It's a bee. It's on a flower.
Wonderful! Nice! Fantastic! That was awesome! Outstanding! Good job! Amazing! I believe superb. Great! Perfect!
And done. The little bee is on its flower. And finally, an animal that goes croak, croak. It's a frog.
Nice! Fantastic! That was awesome! Outstanding! Good job! Amazing! Superb! Great! Perfect! Wonderful!
And done. The frog is very happy. We had so much fun building all these puzzles. I hope you liked it. Goodbye.